Dear students, today we will discuss in this lecture about the conformations of butane. First, we will discuss about Sahor's projection formula and then Newman projection formula. This is the Sahor's projection formula. In this structure, in the given diagram, as we are giving CH3 in this position will eclipse the CH3 on the back carbon. Means the front carbon is completely covering the arrangement of atom on the back carbon. This is the eclipsed conformation. Next, in this case, one CH3, the bulky group, and on the front carbon is exactly at the anti position on the methyl group on the rear carbon or back carbon. Means these are diagonally opposite to each other or at maximum distance from each other. So this will be staggered conformation and this conformation will be more stable. Next, we will discuss about the Newman projection formula for butane. In the Newman projection formula, the front carbon is denoted by dot and the atoms attached to it are shown as given in the figure. In this case, the methyl group is exactly covering the methyl group of back carbon, and the rear carbon in this case is shown by a circle and the atoms are attached on the periphery of the circle. So in this case, these are covering each other, means on the front side only one arrangement of atoms on the front carbon is visible. This is eclipsed conformation. Next is the staggered conformation, in which two methyl groups are at the anti position to each other. We can discuss in a better way. We will start from the eclipsed conformation, as CH3 is behind. This CH3 is behind the front carbon CH3. Eclipsed conformation, when will we rotate by this 60 degree? By rotation of 60 degree, we will get the arrangement like this. In this, two methyl groups are not at maximum distance but not actually eclipsing one another. This is much more stable than the fully eclipsed conformation, and this is called as Cauchy conformation. When this is rotated by 60 degree, we will get this arrangement. In this, the methyl group is eclipsing hydrogen, and in this case hydrogen is eclipsing or covering the methyl group of the back carbon. So this will be partially eclipsed. When this is rotated by again 60 degree, we will get the staggered conformation, in which two methyl groups are at anti position to each other. Next, again we rotate by 60 degree and we will get the conformation in which the methyl group on the front carbon is eclipsing hydrogen or covering the back carbon hydrogen. In this case, hydrogen is covering the hydrogen on the back carbon, but in this case hydrogen is covering the methyl of the back carbon. So this will not completely cover the back carbon, so this will be partially eclipsed conformation. If we consider the stability order of these, then staggered will be more stable, and after that Cauchy form will be more stable, and after that eclipsed conformation will be more stable. So this will be the stability order if we can assign: staggered, after that Cauchy, after that partially eclipsed, and after that fully eclipsed conformation. This will be the stability order of the conformations. This was all about the conformations of butane. Thank you so much.